In this video, we are going to see a simple technique with which you can change the date format or date sequence in Microsoft Excel. So here I have the format which shows the month first, then the date, and then the year. Now I want to show it as DDMMYY. DD means date, MM means month, YY means year. So how will we do it? If you're trying to find the options in Excel, you are completely looking at the wrong place. What you need to simply do is just change it from the Windows. So right now I'm using Windows 11. Just right click here and click on adjust date and time. Now just scroll all the way to the bottom, click on additional clocks and go to date and time, change date and time, change calendar settings and go to additional settings. Now it's very simple, only involves a couple of buttons. So you will automatically be able to see this. Just go to the additional clocks and you can get the general idea of each option. Now all you need to do is just go to the date, and as we can see the short date is set to DD or something like that, only DD. Just write DD MM YY and click on apply and OK. Apply, OK, OK and OK. Now it is showing the date sequence like this, and as we can see now it is automatically corrected with date first, then month, then year. So I hope this will help you, and if it did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for all the future videos. Also, if you want to see other amazing techniques of Microsoft Excel, you can check out the playlist link in the description, and if you want to join our complete basic to advanced course, you can also get the course link in the description as well. So just mention down in the comments if it works, and I will see you in the next one.